Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to show you how to make an appetizer, cream cheese stuffed peppers.
And this is a keto recipe, right?
Yep, it's actually a really easy recipe to make, and actually, I think one of my favorite keto appetizers.
And we found out about this one from Mother's Day Get Together.
Yep.
Yeah. So, I haven't tried them personally, but Misty has.
Yes.
So here are the ingredients on the screen.
12 to 15 mini peppers, 8 ounces of cream cheese,
Bacon pieces.
Scallions, also known as green onions. And, well, okay, there's your ingredients, I guess.
So it isn't bacon bits, it's bacon pieces. Right?
Yes, it is bacon pieces.
There's the cream cheese.
Yeah. We use Organic Valley.
The scallions.
Yep. You will notice that those pieces are a little bit big, the scallion pieces. I was actually intending on using them for a different recipe, but didn't end up using them.
And of course, the last ingredient were the peppers. You cut those in half, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Make sure you clean them, cut them in half, and take cut the green part off the top.
Okay.
So,
Now you're just taking the cream cheese and putting it in a regular bowl.
yep.
Yeah.
Preferably, I used an electric mixer. Preferably a bowl that's big enough that you don't make a mess.
Right.
I made that mistake.
So pretty soon we'll see you using the mixer here. But right now you're just cutting it up, like
Yeah.
mixing it with a knife.
I wanted to make sure it would actually whip.
Oh,
It didn't.
there goes the bacon pieces.
Yep. Add in the bacon pieces.
Everybody at the get-together seemed to enjoy this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here are the scallions.
Scallions, green onions, whatever you call them.
You had wanted to cut those into smaller pieces.
Yeah. I would cut them into smaller pieces unless you like a mouthful of onion.
But it didn't affect the taste of this.
No, actually, I think it enhanced the taste.
Here you are with the...
Electric mixer, making sure just all the ingredients are combined. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Lay out your pepper halves, or at least I did. You can fill them and then lay them out after you fill them.
Did you say you could eat these raw? You don't have to put them in the oven?
Yeah, you can.
So do they taste different raw?
Um,
Or do they taste better cooked or raw?
I like them both ways, so you can do them either way. You're going to want to make sure that you don't overstuff your peppers, because then you'll have filling all over after you bake them.
I personally don't like peppers, so I didn't try this recipe. But I know that you enjoyed it.
I did. This is definitely a make again recipe.
So here they are, ready to go in the oven, all stuffed and ready to go.
And as you can see, as I'm putting them in the oven, they are, some of them are going on their sides, which is all, that's fine. That beautifully clean oven.
Yeah. So then set it.
Set it for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
And let her go.
Now this is 20 minutes later.
Yep, 20 minutes later.
And they look all nice and golden.
Yep.
Golden brown.
Yeah.
Take them out.
My first time making stuffed peppers didn't go so well. And actually, this was really a better recipe.
They look beautiful.
Thank you.
So that should just about do it for this video. Any last thoughts on this recipe?
It does travel well, but you are going to want to make sure to bake it when you get to your final destination.
Which is what happened at your family get-together.
Yep.
All right. So that should just about do it. Bye, guys.
Make sure to like and subscribe.